how to change keyboard or mouse keybinds in Fortnite. So first, you just simply need to click on your settings. Then once you're there, click on this icon right here just besides the controller icon, which will bring you to the keyboard controls. As you can see, these are all the keybinds set for your movement, for combat. So as you can see, these are the mouse binds, the left and right mouse key, and of course the toggle scope mode right there, and also all of the stuff right here. So of the building, the text, the communication, the emote, the miscellaneous stuff, and all of the other things right there. So if you want to change it, you just simply need to click on it right here. So I'm just gonna clear this first. So if you want to change it or add something, you simply need to click on it. Then it will say for you to press any key, and that will be the key that will register for that keybind. So let's say I'm gonna click a left mouse button, and that will be the one that will be registered on my keybinds right there. So same goes for the other ones right here. So let's say I want to reset my reload key or replace it. So I'm going to click on this one. So I'm just going to press any key. Let's say I want to use K, for example. As you can see, it was set to K once I've input K on my keyboard. If I want to go back to R, I'm just going to go click on it and click on R again and click on confirm. As you can see, it is now set to R, and you could also do multiple keybinds at once like this one. So if I want to create a wall, I could use F1 or mouse 5 on my keyboard, and if I want to create a floor, I could use F2 or the Z key on my keyboard. And that's basically it.